So what's going on, everyone? Today, real quick, we're going to do a video for Hedera Hashgraph or HBAR. You guys can see currently the market is in a downtrend. It even broke our trend line that we created on our last video for this cryptocurrency. What does it all mean? Don't worry about it. I got you. We're going to talk about this real quick. Now, before I do, as always, hit that like, share, and subscribe for more of my videos and content. I'm here to give you no fear, no FUD, no FOMO. I'm just simply paying attention to what everyone else has been doing in regards to buying or selling this cryptocurrency, just to try to get a feel as to where price is going to go. So here it is. Price prediction was produced on May the 16th. We was looking for HBAR to go higher. As you guys can tell, the first couple of trading days, the market didn't go up, but it did hold this buy pocket. You guys can see that the price held that, the prices has held that buy pocket a couple of trading days, and then the market got topped out right here. Okay, the market in HBAR topped out on the 23rd of May. Right here at a high of like almost 21 cents. And then ever since then, price has been on the decline. What now? See, we already had that area as a place that we could see price get rejected in HBAR, the high of the 23rd of May. So I'm quite sure we had that as a PT area, or a TP area, excuse me, because that would have garnered only maybe 4.5%. And that was it. Okay, let's get rid of that prediction. And let's go ahead and take this trend line now, and we're just going to simply follow the market. Okay, so this is the current trend into the market for HBAR. It's going down. We can get rid of this buy pocket here. We can also get rid of that buy pocket. So now the next area is going to be where we've already seen price hold. We saw a buy pocket here into the market at HBAR right here create, and now the market came and almost tested it right here. Let's go ahead and make that into a buy pocket real quick so you can see it. Okay, so just yesterday, the market in HBAR came and tested that buy pocket that was created. What day was that? On the 16th of April. Okay, so it's been almost 2 months since price in HBAR was trading above that buy pocket. So you can see that since both of these buy pockets are real close in proximity, that definitely can transition over to a very strong buying area. It could be, but we are in a entrenched downtrend, so expect the market in HBAR to try to come back up and test these new. This is a very big sell pocket right here, though. Okay, so we're going to make that into a sell, and let's create this one here. Now let's look at the market in HBAR on the 2. So you can see pretty clear that the market in HBAR has been creating some weakness for a while. Okay, specifically on this 2-day price bar, and then this last one that we got that sell signal being triggered. That's why the current price action is trending down. Even on the 3, you can tell on the 3 that the buyers hasn't been able to grab hold of price. Every time the market tried to hold price, the buyers, like on this 3 and that 3-day price bar, we immediately see sellers come back in. Buyers try to hold, sellers hit the market. Buyers try to hold, sellers hit the market. Okay, here it is on the 4. HBAR on the 5. So I'll just to show you what I'm thinking. This area right here in HBAR is extremely strong for buyers, right? If we don't see the market hold this area, the buyers, if they don't hold this price again, then we're going to see a pretty big move to the downside in HBAR. And given what we've already seen recorded into the market for HBAR, how strong the sellers are right now, don't be surprised if the market doesn't hold these 2 buy pockets. I'm just telling you that right now. Here it is on the weekly. HBAR on the 2 weeks, 3. Look at that 3. I had to pull that back. Look at that. Look at that 3 right there. Okay, this spread on this 3 weekly price bar is wider than the spread of the prior 3 weeks. Here it is on the 5. And take a look at HBAR on the monthly chart, like even right here on the month. It doesn't look bullish yet. So I think the market's going to try to test that buy pocket a couple of times right here. I think the market's going to try to see if these buyers really want the price here. That's what I think. So I think we're going to come back down and test this area. Now, we're currently seeing the buyers successfully hold that pocket right here. But will it do it the next time or the time after that? That's something that we have to wait and see. So what we're going to do, just to complete this video, we're going to anticipate HBAR going down. This is a very good 1 hour bar, just to show you what buying looks like. You can see right here on the 1 hour chart, right here, you get all that volume popping into the market in HBAR, right? Look at all that volume. Okay, all that volume. And then the market went up. Massive area of weakness right here on this 1 hour bar. Sell signal was triggered, but in the next 1 hour price bar, the market closed at the high of the bar. Somebody was buying HBAR right there. That's why the market started going higher. And as you see price continue to go up, it's run into some more selling. Because now you can see that the market is kind of stopped going up. That's because it's hitting more sellers now. Right there on the 1 hour. You can see this next area where those sellers hit the buyers. Okay. So yeah, we can see the market run back up to 17 cents. Most definitely. But generally, I think the market is going to test that trend line again to the downside. Okay. So right now, I wouldn't be surprised to see the market HBAR go up because we've already seen this test successfully hit this buy pocket. Price is currently being elevated, trying to move higher off of it. But I think over the next couple of days or so, I think it's going to try to come back down and test that area again. So what we're going to do is we're going to put targets on these two pockets right here. First one, maybe 6%. On the low of this buy pocket, at the high it will give us 4 3/4. We'll take that too. Then we're going to try to target the low of that second buy pocket, which is around like 15 cents. Gives us 9% there. And let's drop one right here. This will be our third target. Okay. So pretty much we're just trying to see how strong are the buyers now. The ball's in their court. And they will give us time to see, or they should give us enough time to convince us that they're still here at these buy pockets, because if they are, price will go no lower. But don't forget, when I show you the multiple time frames, how weak the market looked. So it's going to take a whole lot of volume, a whole lot of indication of strength price bars to tell us that yes, this is the bottom. We're going to look for the market to continue to go up. But we're already there now. Like, this could be the beginning stages of buyers doing just that. So this prediction could actually be on the tail end of price going down. I just want you all to know that too. All right. Now, that's it. That's what I got. We'll see what happens over the next couple of days. Go ahead and give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit. And as always, trade different.